If you need it, you don't got it. You don't get it, shame on you. Funny, funny, funny what money can do.
Want to know how much Jamaican money your dollar is worth? Well, up to the late 1960s, the Jamaican dollar was worth more than the US dollar. That's a very distant memory, sad to say. Our once proud Jamaican currency has been so bruised and battered that some of the coins are regarded as a nuisance and actually thrown in the garbage. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and do remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Here's a frontal view of the notes which are currently in use. The $50 bill. The $50 bill bears the image of Samuel Sharp, one of Jamaica's national heroes. The $100 bill. The $100 bill features Donald Sangster, the second and shortest serving Prime Minister of Jamaica. This note is widely referred to as a bills. The $500 bill. The $500 bill features Nanny of the Maroons, Jamaica's only national heroine. The note is commonly known as a nanny. The $1,000 bill. Michael Manley, Jamaica's fourth and sixth Prime Minister, is the face on the $1,000 bill. As in some other countries, it is also called a grand. The $5,000 bill. This is the most recently issued Jamaican note and bears the image of Hugh Lawson Shearer, Jamaica's third Prime Minister. The Jamaican coat of arms appears on all Jamaican money, on the front of notes and on the back of coins. Our coins come in the following denominations: $20, $10, $5, $1, 25 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, and all bear the face of a national hero. Many smaller businesses, especially in rural areas, will not accept or issue coins under $1 in value, red money as they are called. Most children don't even want them in their piggy banks, and even beggars find them of little use. When shopping, don't expect to get back exact change for fractions of $1. Bills are usually rounded up to the nearest dollar. They are rarely ever rounded down in favor of the customer. Let's take a look at the history of Jamaican money. Coins from many different countries are widely used in Jamaica between the 17th and the 19th century, as early Jamaican history unfolded. The colonial government set exchange values for these coins in terms of British pounds, shillings, and pence. The first Jamaican coins were made in 1869, the penny and the halfpenny. In the 19th century, private banks began issuing banknotes and continued to do so until 1940. At this time, the government's appointed agent assumed the responsibility for issuing all paper money in Jamaica. I can remember my grandmother, who was born in 1920, using what were slang words of her time to describe the different denominations of Jamaican money. Words like Jill, threepence, penny, halfpenny, quarty, and farthing. As a child, it seemed to me that only mysterious things could have ever been bought with money that had such mysterious names. When the Bank of Jamaica was established in 1960, it became responsible for issuing all Jamaican currency, which at that time was still denominated in pounds, shillings, and pence. In 1969, the sterling system was replaced by the decimal system of dollars and cents, and the old-time names became a thing of the past. I hope this video on Jamaican money has been useful and informative. If you find that you have excessive amounts of the stuff, do please remember me, Alex. Send me some.
Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, let's learn. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, let's learn. Money, money, money.
Thank you again for joining me, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting or informative. If so, please do remember that you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button. And do remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Until then, I am Alex. Bless.
Let's get to Let's get some fire on our hearts.